Hi friends, welcome everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Today I'm going to show you my live trading session, my live trading video, how you can make trade in 2 minutes. This is for all the working professionals and also a guidance for all the people who are taking my calls and also those who have learned the strategies from me. So they also can see how I'm trading, how I'm making money. So it will also boost your confidence, gain your confidence. Friends, as I told you, trading is very simple. You just need 2 minutes. You don't have to spend too much of time in front of the screen to know how you have to place your trade in just 2 minutes. You can stay tuned till end of the video and just look at this live trading video of mine. So today I'll be showing today's live trading video, and so this is my channel Angel Trading Friend. People who are watching for the first time, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and the like button. You'll be finding lots of videos on equities as well as commodities, both available in Hindi as well as English. So friends, very quickly let us go to today's video. I had recorded for you. Yeah. So today let us see. It was not infratel which we selected today. It was ONGC criteria. Many of them know what is the reason. People also taking the strategy will be knowing it. So I'll just immediately place the call to people who are taking it. Add ONGC features. Okay, so I'll take at the breakout of the high. So it is buy at 180. It was 181.15. Okay, it was mistake. 181.15 will be my buy price. Okay, target and stop loss will be 0.5. Okay, so I have given the call. So let me just place the order immediately so that even I can also place the trade. So 181.15, I'll just keep a small buffer of 10 points, 10 paisa. I'll immediately place the order. So you can see that my order is placed. So this is it, friends. It's very simple. You can just see I have placed the order. Time taken is hardly 1 minute. The order is placed and I just have to see for the results. I have to just wait for the results. And as you all know that profit or minus, the beauty is we have to trade daily. We have to make profits by end of the month. The average must be in positive. Okay, so this is it. I'll just show the present scenario. So you can see that ONGC has achieved its profit. You can see that 1875 profit has achieved in ONGC. I had also taken a call in SBIN. But I'll be taking, as you all know, I'll take many trades. My trials are going on, testings are going on. Okay, so this is my trade. So people who have taken this, you can see that ONGC target is done within 1 minute. And also I'll just show you the results. Okay, this is till April 20th. I'm here to update the latest files, latest data. So you can see that plus or minus end of the month we are in positive. So these are the calls given in this month, and today also you can see we are closing the month in profit. So all the equity calls are in profit. Friends, this is the beauty of Angel Trading Friend. You will get all calls as you also immediately before me placing the trade. I also have sent my calls, and any doubts, any confusion, you can just WhatsApp me on my number 8095876525. If you are working and if you need assistance to make money, then don't forget to subscribe my channel or just WhatsApp me and take guidance from me. Okay, friends, thank you. And as I always repeat, profit done for the day. So we let us enjoy. Have a nice day. Thank you.